Come test drive the 2016 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front driver and passenger seats, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control. Come see the car for yourself.